Sophia.
And I'm Sienna. And
this is Sis Crafting. Today we're going to be doing a product review of Fitbit Versa Lite bands. We actually decided on some silicone bands. There are also fabric bands, metal bands, all different kinds of bands. But we decided on silicone, just like the ones we used to have. These bands, they're great. We've had them for almost a year now. These are actually from Fitbit itself. The only thing is there was a little thing connecting the two bands, holding them in place, and mine actually broke a week or two ago. But I mean, it lasted for the most part. Alright, so let's open it up. We got our package from Amazon. Where is the preparation on this thing? Oh my gosh. Clearly preparation on our Amazon packaging isn't that great. Oh, there we go! Finally! So here we go.
Oh wow.
Okay, right at the front they say satisfaction 100%. Alright, let's look at them.
Oh my gosh, I love the shiny ones.
Yeah, so this, wow, okay. So this package, I don't know if you can tell or not, it's got 3 like metallic ones and then 3 just normal ones. There are probably about 3 or 4 options for this package set. We picked this one because it kind of had the lighter colors. Except they seem pretty dark a little bit. Like the teal is a lot darker than I thought. But this package was about $12 for 6 of them, which is pretty good. And also, we got it as a lightning deal, so it was actually only $10. Okay, so what do the instructions say? They tell you
We know how to do that. That's just how
install. To insert the pin in the band slot. No, it's teaching you how to install like the pin, but the pin's already there. I don't know what this install part's for. It's like they want you to.
From?
I don't know. Really? Oh,
it's made in China.
Oh, they're telling you how to put it on the
That's
wash.
what I said. It's made in China.
Oh, how wonderful! So let's see. Oh wow! Oh wow! The metallic have a weird feel. They're all silicone, but the metallic are weird. Wow, these have a weird texture. Isn't the texture weird? I think. Compared to your old band.
Like this.
It's
this
like
feels like one side feels like this, and then the other side. Just look at the comparison color. Wow.
It's just a weird texture. Okay, I'm gonna go with
this
the pink for right now. Oh wow, it comes with 2 of these slot things instead of 1. The other bands had only 1. This one, pull this out. It's stuck. How am I supposed to pull it out? Seriously.
You pop it out like that?
Huh?
Wait, what are you trying to?
I'm trying to get the 2
They're
bands
attached.
apart.
You just go like.
How do you get them apart?
Like that. You squeeze. Slide. Oh, that doesn't work.
No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, you stuck.
Technical difficulties. This way. Nope, not that way.
Stuck. Yeah. You just gotta ease it off.
Oh, I see what you.
The thing is, it's got the little thing that goes into the hole, so it stays more secure, which makes it harder to get out. Oh, got it out. All right. So I'm gonna take off our old band
because it's not supposed to come off with this one.
Move it. Now we got our watch. On the bottom of the watch is the one with the dots. Okay. So the one
with the dots. Right, with the dots.
We're gonna take this side. There's a little pin right here. You push the pin. There's a little hole in the watch. You stick it in, you push it in, and you were supposed to let it go, but that didn't work.
Oh no, my watch is being weird.
It's not staying.
It's always super hard to put on.
No, but I usually can do it, and this won't stay. It won't stay. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not joking at all.
But they said it on the front. They're made in China.
And 100% satisfaction guaranteed for
Even get them to work. What brand is this?
China.
Why does it say men? Men aren't going to be wearing pink. I'm sorry to break it to you. Alright, let's try this one. Let's try this one. This one's more rubbery.
But why would
if both of the ones that we both chose happen to be the same and not work?
Wow, these are...
Wait, I think I got it in.
It worked.
I did it! I did it! I have to do the pull test.
You have to do the noise.
Yeah, you have to do the noise with
Can you please do mine?
Frank.
This is such a pain. These bands are awful. I guess you do have to buy decent bands. These bands are a pain. Royal pain. How stiff they are compared to... Look at this. This is the
Maybe
old
it's just
one.
warm.
The silicone.
Maybe it's just warm.
Yeah, but it's different texture. And look at this one. It's like hard.
I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Start it over.
I just don't understand. Look, if you look at this, it's the little metal part is silver, and it looks like professional. These ones, look at their plastic junk. I don't understand is why we need two things to connect our band.
It's just for extra security. I mean, that's why we got the other ones, because one broke.
I think it's extra security because you can't even put the bands on.
Also, our old bands, they're kind of like soft and feel nice on your skin, even though they rub a little bit. But these are like, how do I explain it? Like, you know what I mean?
Texture is just
the
wrong.
texture is like not soft. It's like.
I got it in. So I finally got both sides in, so I'm going to put it on my wrists. It's kind of hard to do. You guys can see it. Let's put the band in, put it through. And now we can secure it with both of our bands, because it's just not silly enough. I don't think you need double duty security. You'll never be able to get this thing off. I'm sure you can slide one of them off, but it's just like too much. Really stiff, but I guess that's just because they're brand new. You get yours on? That's true. They're a weird texture. They're not. I thought they were the same, like silicone, but maybe they're just not all made the same.
Yeah, not all silicones made equally.
Yeah, so you can tell they are not top quality. You can definitely feel it when you open them. They feel like
So much for putting these on quickly.
junky. They just don't feel right. They feel weird. And if you can see this little thing, this little metal part in it is really loose. Like it wobbles back and forth.
Got it.
And they are such a pain to put in. Like,
wait, it wobbles?
when I say a pain, I seriously mean a pain. This part.
Oh, it doesn't wiggle once it's on the watch, though.
Yeah, but it makes it a pain to put on. Alright guys, I just realized we forgot to show you all the colors. So in the pack we ordered, we got a metallic silver, metallic rose gold, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. This gold's weird. It's almost like a silver, but like a super, super light metallic gold. Then we have, the texture on this one's a little better. We got the purple with the purple clasp. To me, it just looks so junky with that purple clasp. And we have the teal one I put on with the teal clasp. And then it's like
a brown red. It's like a brown red, and then with like a pink clip clasp thing. I think it's really pretty.
So it looks like it's pretty sturdy and it's gonna stay on.
It's really sturdy.
Especially with these two extra bands. So how would you rate it overall? 1 to 5 stars, and maybe a little description of what you think.
Okay, I would say like 3 stars because the material was really weird and stiff. Maybe it's more secure and it'll last longer. I don't know. Also, the clasp things seemed cheap, and the colors weren't what we were expecting. They look different online, and the material is like rough. It's not soft and flexible like our previous ones. The colors are pretty, they're just not what we expected, and overall I give it a 3.
Personally, I would give it like 2.5 stars. I personally didn't like them very much. The texture is kind of weird, like Sienna thinks. It's plasticky. These metallic ones are really plasticky. Like they just don't feel right. These The solid color ones are a little bit closer to the old silicone feel we had, but not quite. But I guess they'll soften up with time. So maybe I'd give them a 2, not a 1.5. The thing that really lowers it for me is how difficult it is to put on your watch. It is a pain, and it's really hard. Like, it gets under your nail and it digs in when you're trying to like put that little clasp. So if you want an easy clasp like this thing, I would not buy these. They're really bad with the clasp.
But once you get them on, I'm sure it'll be like secure.
Once they're on, they feel really secure. I agree.
It comes with lots of colors, like you're supposed to change them out regularly or with your outfit, but it's really hard to do.
Really, really, really hard. So we hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!